Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Janice Ragudo, 35 years old, and I am a single parent. I have one son, 15 years old. I live in Cagayan, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic and I am a high school graduate. I work in Malaysia for 2 years and I serve 6 members of the family. Grandmother, 3 adults and 2 children. My duties is taking care of the children, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, and sometimes car washing. I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 3 years and 8 months and I serve 4 members of the family. 2 adults, 1 children, and 1 newborn baby. My duties is taking care of the children and newborn baby, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, and marketing. As a domestic helper, I promise to do my best and responsibilities. I will respect the whole family and I love the children as my own. Thank you and God bless.